Salgaocar and Prayag came into this match with their eyes on the 4th place as the I-League stays wide open following a flurry of shock results. Both the teams looked well matched and set for an even contest. Salgaocar, however, looked the better side in the first half. Nigerian striker Edeh Chidi gave the home side the lead in the 26th minute with a superb headed goal.
Well, an absolutely brilliant header from Chidi Edeh. Well, they say heading is an art, is going out of the game.
The second half saw Prayag United play with a lot more aggression. Former Salgaocar forward Yakubu Yusuf threatened the Green Brigade twice in close succession.
With a real chance. Can he find a shot? Yes, he can. It's a terrific save. They've been much better in the second half.
Brazilian forward Josimar Martins also failed to direct his effort towards the Salgaocar goal. He also had a strong penalty shout waved off by the referee. Salgaocar could have doubled their lead had rival goalkeeper Abhijit Mondal not been alert to the task. Salgaocar held on to their lead and clinched full points to stretch their unbeaten run to 10 games. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Coaches are gurus and are the most important figures in players' life. Australian football coach Norman Boardman is ensuring the coaches have the right technique and know-how so the players are guided on the right track. Norman was in Goa last week and took his coach training program to the next level. Norman has selected Gavin Araujo and Fausto Lobo as his assistant instructors, and the duo will hold coaching programs in rural Goa.
Gavin and Fausto were assistants to Norman at this camp for coaches at Duler recently. This was a development to ASOP's coach education program following Norman's first visit and a lecture last year. Norman selected this duo to continue the good work amongst Goan coaches in his absence. Gavin shared his experience.
But I was happy when he chose me as an assistant instructor from that time, and this time I was assisting him instructing another 26 coaches.
So you along with another coach, or you've been the only assistant?
Yeah, it was me along with Fausto Lobo this time.
One mustn't impose techniques on a young footballer. Rather, he should be told the method, and then the footballer should decide how to best execute the method.
My role is that I have to travel to remote parts of Goa and organize small coaches and organize small courses for new coaches and impart the knowledge to them and the new way of teaching, new way of coaching. Yeah, so what we did, I think in holidays, we'll be going down, and first of all, we'll be working together, myself and Faust. Okay. So after we gain the confidence, we'll be down on our own. I think the way of teaching is very interesting. It's in like you draw the kids to the ground. You don't tell them what to do. No. You just actually give them some ideas and let them decide for themselves. The main thing of the program is they say they want thinking footballers who can think quick and make good decisions all the time. So he's saying we have to just tell them what to do and just let them decide their own things, and that's how we're going to get good thinking footballers.
Okay. So you don't give them a set way of play?
No. You just tell them what to do and just sit back and watch the different things, and there might be even better way than you're not thinking about. They can do things.
Okay. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shailesh Zatie from Panji.
Mother of Mercy High School from Vasco scored a comfortable victory over Bhatikar Model English High School from Madgaon in the final of Mukund Trikanna Trophy. The 13th edition of All Goa Inter-School Tournament was organized by Madgaon Cricket Club.
On Saturday, the school boys from Bhatikar Model High School were dismissed for just 89 runs in 27 overs, which Mother Mary High School boys scored in 18 overs. Organizing secretary of the tournament, Vinod Dhamaskar, gave a few details of the participating teams.
I am very proud to tell you, we had the maximum entries, 20 entries. This is the first time we have had 20 entries participating in this tournament. And not only from Margam, 4 schools from Vasco, 1 from Kororin, 1 from Sakli, 2 from Kucharam, and rest from Margam area. I am sure next year this number will definitely go very, very high.
Chairman of Bhatikar Model High School, R.S. Kamath, was the chief guest for the prize distribution ceremony and had a few words of encouragement to the teams.
Winning and losing, then nobody wins or nobody loses. This is a participation, this is a tournament, the tournament, to excite you and then play and show your excellence. So there is nothing like winning, nobody has lost. Winning team is winner 1. What are the others called the runners up? They are runners up, they are winner 2. So I think we should make winner 1 and winner 2.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.